guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. आज का वीडियो है all about my favorite products from the past month. तो काफ़ी सारे ऐसे products हैं which I use like maybe accessories, जैसे jewelry, bags या फिर even कपड़े जो not necessarily मेरे Instagram या YouTube पे मैं दिखाती हूँ. And some of you guys still don't follow me on Instagram, which I hope you do. But for those who still don't follow me, काफ़ी सारे ऐसे outfits हैं which you guys are not able to see जो बहुत ही पसंद आता है लोगों को and is my favorite as well. So there are a lot of outfits which I want to show you in today's favorites. I want to go through them quickly. And accessories भी हैं like really nice cool stuff जो आपको बहुत पसंद आने वाले हैं. So it's going to be quite a lengthy video. So let's see how much I can shorten it up for you guys. But yeah, without wasting much time, let's get started. Okay, my first favorite product has to be this kurta set. So it's a printed set which I got from an Insta store on the website. We have linked the details, mentioned the details on the screen. So it's a nice cotton set, with a short kurti with flared sleeve, and इसके साथ आता है ये white dhoti pant, and it's honestly so comfortable. And every time I wear it, you guys have been asking me for the details, and absolutely love it. I wish I can purchase more pieces from this brand because they're very, very comfortable, especially for the summertime. So this is my first favorite. अगला है ये पाकिस्तानी स्टाइल प्रिंटेड सूट सेट जो है फ्रॉम द ब्रांड RK by ऋतु कुमार. मैंने इसे पहना था ऑन माई ट्रिप टू चंडीगढ़ फॉर द गुरुद्वारा विजिट एंड आपको बहुत पसंद आया था. इट्स ऑनेस्टली वेरी कंफर्टेबल. काफ़ी गर्मी थी इन चंडीगढ़ बट इट वाज स्टिल सो कम्फी एंड आई लव द स्टाइल ऑफ इट. इट्स क्वाइट लॉन्ग, सो अगर आपकी हाइट मेरी जैसे यू विल लव wearing something like this. I love the color, the print, बहुत ही प्यारा है and I've linked it down below, so definitely check this out. काफ़ी सारे कुर्ता सेट्स हैं from Myntra which are a part of my favorites. You might have seen a few on my Instagram, but yes, this is again like I'm into white and blue. आपने already देख लिया है. Like the first two have been in the same color palette, and this is a very nice dhoti kurta set. And with lace detailing on the neckline, the sleeve and the bottom of the kurta. बहुत ही fresh है for the summer time and very very comfortable. So आप daily पहन सकते हो. You can even wear it for like work but with minimal styling. So I really like this one and there are more which I want to show you. Breaking the color palette, एक और बहुत ही fresh color which is this one from Myntra. It's a kurta set, kurta dupatta set. It's from the brand Anok. I love the color. बहुत ही प्यारा है and very comfortable. It comes with this salwar like so and a dupatta. So again a very nice set, very comfortable for like work wear or college. तो मैंने वर्कवेयर के बहुत ऑप्शंस दिखाए थे एंड दीज टू हैव बीन माय मोस्ट फेवरेट एंड दिस वन फ्रॉम द ब्रांड विशुद्ध. आई लव इट बिकॉज मुझे प्रिंट बहुत अच्छा लगता है एंड दीज हैव पॉकेट्स व्हिच इज द बेस्ट पार्ट. इट्स सो कंफर्टेबल एंड लुक सो एलिगेंट एंड डिसेंट. बहुत क्लासी दिखता है. इट कम्स विद अ प्रिंटेड पैंट एंड अ दुपट्टा. सो इट्स अ वेरी लवली सेट. The next one is this straight fit kurta set from the brand Anok. I love this brand because कितने सारे अच्छे options होते हैं for like regular wear or festive wear from the brand. तो ये है black and white monotone with a very lovely dupatta. I love the print on the dupatta. It's so comfortable. Black and white है but the fabric is so soft and जो lining है इसकी वो भी बहुत अच्छी है. So I really love this kurta set for like daily wear or work wear. Okay, एक और कुर्ता जो मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद आया है from my recent purchases is this one from the brand Tavi. I don't have it with me right now but I've inserted a picture for you guys. I showed it in one of my reels. It is so comfortable. थोड़ा expensive है for the brand but I have had so much use of it. and it's so comfortable to wear in this hot summer. तो just मुझे घर से बाहर निकलना है to buy सब्जी हो या जो भी काम हो, I love wearing that because so comfy. This checkered linen dress from Myntra again, बहुत comfortable है, suits any body type and it's in my current favorite color scheme, white and blue. इसमें pockets भी हैं and I love again just like friends के साथ बाहर जाना है या I don't know what to wear and it is too hot outside, this is my go-to pick. I love the style of it and again मैंने काफ़ी सारे summer dresses दिखाए हैं, so I'll try adding all those links in my description box अगर even if they're not a part of this video, but you can have a look at all the other options that I've shared. So Myntra पे there is this thing called overseas brands, तो Stylecast I believe is the name of the brand. तो उसमें सारे ऐसे imported stuff दिखते हैं which take almost a month for it to reach you. तो मैंने बहुत डर के ये पीस ऑर्डर किया था. It is this black long dress but it's so nice, it's so comfy, I love the style, it is so my style, like very comfortable. Pockets हैं and it looks very classy when you wear it. There's so many ways you can style this and yeah, I love the way it looks on me. इस outfit के साथ जो मैंने bag pair किया है, this is the one and it's such a lovely bag for the summertime. It's so stylish and has so much space. This is from a brand called High Style. ये एक homegrown Indian label है and it comes with this छोटा सा pocket as well which you can attach and काफ़ी space है inside to store in a lot, so you can just like use it during your vacation or you're going out for a brunch. अगर आपको बहुत सारी चीज़ें लेके घूमना पसंद है, this is so stylish and so worth it. And ये एक और मैंने purchase किया है from them which again love the color, I love the pattern, it's so chic and so different from what I own. मुझे ये color बहुत अच्छा लगा and I don't have a bag in this color, so I love the style of it. It's very nice. So yeah, these two bags from High Style, I love the brand. और मुझे काफ़ी सारे अच्छे डिस्काउंट पर ये मिला during their sales, so I'm really happy with this. So I picked up a pair of earrings, like statement earrings from this brand called Xavier King. मैंने I think Komal Pandey को देखा था using them and these are the earrings. दिखने में they look huge. Like I don't know if the camera is focusing on the earrings, but yeah, they look very huge. It's not heavy, it's very lightweight and they look really stunning. So I love this for my face type. These look really nice. मतलब बाल खोल के भी these are the earrings that आप देख सकते हो with open hair. It's not necessary to tie my hair with something like this and really happy that I have this. And बहुत ही fast delivery थी, like it just came in like 2 days. So yeah. And then I have this stunning piece which I'm wearing right here from Not Me Cute. मुझे बहुत टाइम से इन्हें try करना था. Actually, so many people wearing this online, and these earrings had my attention from so long, and I love the style, the color, the design of it is so quirky and so nice. And ये मैंने एक handcuff भी लिया है from them, so it's so boho, so my style, and I cannot wait to style it in more different ways. Absolutely love the way it looks on me. So ये थे सारे favorites from today's video. Let me know your favorite as well in the comment section. And yes, I did have fun filming this for you guys. And thank you for watching. If you did like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.